Авторское право в любом государстве, оно всегда стоит на таком балансе.
Copyright rights in any country are always on such a balance. On the one hand, there is a need to protect copyright. On the other, it is necessary to protect the rights of those who produce their creative work, new works of science, literature, and art, all that relates to culture, anything that allows a person to learn new things, to learn how new things function, to promote the society, the state in general, to bring scientific and educational progress. On the other hand, protecting the rights of the author, we must not forget about the society, which should receive appropriate education, should have access to works of the best masterpieces of culture in any country. Kazakhstan laws on copyright will be 20 years. This law corresponds to the International Berne Convention, which is the basis of intellectual property law of the international system.
И наше законодательство в течение
Our legislation for a long time has been updated. It was a hard work, which lasted a long time. The result is the entry of Kazakhstan into the World Trade Organization. The requirements of the Worldwide International Organization and legislation in the field of copyright and related rights have been also brought into line with international standards. Copyright arises from the moment of creation, they say in the Ministry of Justice. In order to register your copyright, you don't have to come to the ministry in person. All documents can be sent via email. The author needs to submit an application, attach a copy of identity card, the receipt of state duty payment, and the work itself. This product should not be previously published or made public. The certificate of registration is issued within 20 days. Republic of Kazakhstan is a member of the world community, is a member of many international organizations, and international treaty takes the obligation to take measures to ensure the rights not only of citizens of Kazakhstan, Kazakhstani authors and rights holders, but also foreign. We provide the same national treatment for them, which is given to authors and rights holders of Kazakhstan. According to Gulnara Kaken, for better protection of their rights, modern writers are united in a collective organization. Such associations track the legitimate interests of authors and collect fees for the commercial use of works. For the past year, they have been collected about 1,200 million tenge for the use of copyrighted works by different users. These groups also follow through so that copyrights won't be violated. If the author did not register his right later in court, in general in the future, it will be difficult to prove his right to protect it, because we, too, base our decisions solely on the letter of the law and the data that we were presented with by the parties. If a party has no rights to it, we are unable to protect their right. According to the judge, the authors must register their rights and ensure their proper implementation.
Я все-таки считаю, что, наверное, люди более грамотно подходят к этому и...
I believe that people became more suited to this and began to deal with claims for the protection of their rights, copyrights in a more responsible way. This is also a definite plus in the community. People are trying to protect and defend themselves. They apply to the courts to defend their rights. The fact that people know that there is such a law and that it can be used for their benefit and perhaps suggest that it will protect their rights, while the court can only operate in accordance with the law and only defend the right if evidence is provided in a timely manner, we can always protect and make a fair decision.